Frustrated because Zillow thinks your dream home is actually that vacant lot down the street? We can fix that. First, head over to Zillow.com and make sure you're logged into your Zillow account if you don't have one. It's quick and free to create one. Now, find your property listing on Zillow. Once you're on your properties page, look for the Edit Facts button. It's usually located near the property details section, often next to things like the number of bedrooms or bathrooms. Clicking Edit Facts will reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Edit Location. You'll now see a map with a pin representing the current, incorrect location of your property. Click and drag the pin to its correct location on the map. Zoom in for better accuracy. Once you've placed the pin in the right spot, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Submit button. Zillow will then review your correction. Keep in mind it may take a few days for Zillow to verify and update the location. You'll usually receive an email notification once the change is live. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can ensure your property is accurately represented on Zillow, helping buyers find exactly what they're looking for. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zillow tips.